Here we go again with another episode of My Boat and My Life. In this episode we will visit Gällnö and the boat show at Grinda. But first we will say goodbye to Chris and Tanja here on Lådna, Skomakarviken. I will take the boat out to the anchor point, but not pull up the anchor. That way we will not swing in to another boat, but we have lots of time to take care of all the lines on the bow. When the lines are stored, we can pick up the anchor and go. These long 30-meter lines are folded in two parts, so I begin from each end to the middle. I loosen the line to insane and pick up the anchor on the way up to the flybridge. So now we can just turn around and go. I will do a wide turn so I don't get the line from insane in the propeller. So first I will go forward on the starboard engine before I do a sharper turn by putting the port engine in reverse. Halfway around, I will put both engines in forward to get away from the line behind me. And just like that, we are on the way to Gällnö. It's so nice to see the sun again. If you visit the other episodes, you have seen we have lots of rain lately. Princess 40, that's a nice boat. I love them.
It's sunset on Friday, I'm stuck on the highway, it's been a while. I'm late to the party, you already started the sparkling wine. I need to find a spark to keep me from the dark. I'm looking for a fire star tonight to light me up. To the ground, I wasted time. These city lights, still I can't get you out my mind. I need a fire star tonight. I'm looking for a
We are on the north path of Gällnö, I think they call it Brännholmen. Due to the wind condition, we choose in this spot. It's a steep cliff, but it will give us a good wind protection.
As long as there's a spark to keep me from the dark.
If I anchor against the boat behind us, we can go ashore on the low, flat part of this cliff. I will take my time to see that I get the anchor in the right spot. This seems to be the angle that I want to have. I use the Engbo Maxi. The line is leaded and it's free fall. And it doesn't put out more line than you use. Linda, take the line from the same side as the wind is coming from. As soon as I see Linda has control, I will go down and help her.
I feel you burn all over me. One hit of you is all I need. Baby, I need a fix. All I wanna do is let myself right next to you. I might need a few moments just to touch on you.
Now we're going to take a trip to Grinda. They have a boat show there today. Channel is actually not so small. It's 1.5 meter deep, so you can go through here with big boats.
For almost 3 weeks. Ooh, you think you got to me?
Here the children got to play with the electric boats for free. Lots of people, the sun is shining, and we will meet up with some friends here. Life is good. Grinda has a nice environment. It's easy to travel here by ferry if you don't have a boat. On my opinion, I think the harbor is too open. It's always small here. Så här är om det ligger i KSS hamn på Djurgården. Då är det så här. Det går jättemycket färger förbi det så här. Och ligger du i Vasahamnen är det så här. Det är de yttre platserna. Men om du förbokar får du alltid de inre platserna. Det där är det. Ja. After a couple of hours, there was time to leave. I'm trying to get the seaweed off the anchor line before I put it in the boat. And some more line. Yes, we will get on the way soon.
Gick det bra?
When I'm starting, I always open the motor hatch. If it is some fuel fumes, I want them out of there. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.